Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Children, we have come across many things in the lesson Dr. Sir C.V. Raman. So, Raman was a kind man and he helped many people when they were in difficulty. So, let us come to the last session of this lesson. What was his achievements and honors he received? Children, follow the PDF format of the textbooks and keep a pencil or a pen with you to note down the hard words. Coming to the 8th paragraph, during his lifetime, Raman received a number of honors and medals. In 1929, he was knighted by King George V and became Sir C.V. Raman. A number of universities honored him with doctorates. So here he achieved a lot during his lifetime. He received a number of honors and medals. Honors means awards. And in 1929 he was knighted by King George V. Means in the year 1929 children, Raman was awarded by King George V and became Sir C.V. Raman. He got the Sir, like doctorate, even Sir is a greatest honor. So C.V. Raman received the greatest honor, Sir. A number of universities honored him with doctorates. So even he got a doctorate award also. Dr. Sir C.V. Raman. Doctorates are also given by so many universities. He was a member of many international scientific organizations. In 1954, the Government of India awarded him Bharat Ratna. In 1957, the Soviet Union honored him by awarding the International Lenin Prize. Children, all these years and awards you should remember. So, he was a member of International Scientific Organization, and in the year 1954 he was awarded by the Indian government the greatest award, Bharat Ratna. I told you in the beginning and I showed the image of Bharat Ratna award also. I think you remember that. And in the year 1957, the Soviet Union honored him by awarding the International Lenin Prize. Children, in the year 1957, Soviet Union means Russia, the Russian country honored him with the International Lenin Prize award also. These are the greatest achievements of Sir C.V. Raman. Coming to the next paragraph, Raman died on November 21, 1970 at the age of 82 years. In his death, India lost one of the great sons and the world a great scientist. Children, Raman lived up to the age of 82 years. So he died on November 21st in the year 1970. So in his death, India lost her a great son and even the world lost a great scientist. So these are the things which is a brief information about Sir C.V. Raman, his parents, his childhood, his birthplace and his achievements, and as a scientist he was a kind man who helped many people. And finally we lost a great person, Dr. C.V. Raman, in the year 1970. So India lost a great person whom even the world lost as a great scientist. Children, these are the things which we have learnt in this lesson. Hope you have understood everything, and just to try to recall everything by reading this lesson once again. So please go through the lesson and read each and everything which is important for you, and read some more books of other scientists which helps to improve your knowledge, and you will come to know many great inventions and discoveries. So these are the things which we have learned in this lesson. Hope you have understood. Thank you, children. Go through the lesson, read twice, thrice, and if you get any doubts, you just clear your doubts by calling us. Thank you, children. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Jai Shri Gurudev.